here and welcome to another video. So if you guys saw by the title, I am getting my life together. I'm doing like a Sunday prep. I won't call it meal prep because I'm not really prepping meals, but I'm going to do a Sunday prep for a healthier lifestyle. So if you guys watch my vlogs, I have gained a lot of weight over the past 6 months or so. So I'm trying to get that under control and basically changing my lifestyle completely, and not like very strict dieting, but like just changing the way I eat, changing the way I move. I'm going to the gym more often, I'm walking more often. Even my watch has said in the past 6 weeks your movement, your steps have increased, your exercise time has increased. So I love seeing that stuff. So if you don't have an Apple Watch, I'm not familiar with Fitbit. I know my husband has Fitbit and he likes it, but I love my Apple Watch. Like I'm always gonna have her on me. So I suggest you get an Apple Watch because it really does track. It really does track your lifestyle. It helps you with your goals. Like if you're sitting down for too long, it'll tell you, oh, it's time to stand. Like you at least have to, it wants you to walk around at least a minute, I think, an hour. But you know, when you work from home or you work at a desk or you work in the office, that's not really always feasible. So I'll try to do that, at least like walk around the house. Like, oh, I think it hits like every 50 minutes or something. Like every 50th minute, like at 8:50, I'll say, oh, it's time to walk. Like for you won't hit that hour and not, you know, get up and walk. So it tracks everything. I live by it, and I'm gonna upgrade it eventually to the latest one. I'm not sure of a new one coming out this year, but I think I have the Series 3, but it hasn't let me down, so I'm good with it. So yeah, so I'm gonna be actually cleaning out my refrigerator this morning before I go to the gym. I woke up earlier than I wanted to because my husband decided he wanted to set an alarm on a Sunday, and I'm a very light sleeper, y'all. So even any other movement, like I heard his phone vibrating, I'm like, what's going on? And it was just a lot. And then he was like, you supposed to be asleep. And I was like, you know, I can't, like once I'm up, I'm up. Like I can't get up and go back to sleep. Like now I'm gonna be up the whole day, and probably about 3-4 o'clock I'm gonna be so tired, but it's okay. It's like 7 o'clock right now. I'm gonna clean my refrigerator out. We're gonna go grocery shopping today, and we're gonna juice today. So as you guys saw, yesterday I cleaned out the containers that my husband bought me from Amazon. I'll show you. They're still a little wet since I'm letting them air dry, but these are 10-ounce containers, mason jars. I'm going to use these for like fruits and juices, easy grab. And then we're going to get some water. We're going to get some food from Sam's. We're going to get some fruit. I'm going to get some 0 calorie or 0 sugar creamer because I'm not giving up coffee and cream. I have drunk black coffee before. It's not terrible, y'all. It's not the end all be all, but that's one thing I don't think I'm gonna sacrifice this time is my coffee. I'm gonna just be more conscious of the amount of creamer I'm putting in my coffee because I could go hard. Like I know what to do to lose weight, but as I get older, I really just don't want to make myself miserable just trying to lose weight. Like, yeah, I'm losing weight to be healthier, but I'm not going to eat a celery stick a day and be happy at 50 pounds lighter, but all I mean is a celery stick. Like, I want to be realistic with this goal because I could do it. Like, it's not hard. I could do it, but I'm not going to be happy, and I'm going to be back where I'm at now. So I just want to change it up a little bit. So I'm not going to give up coffee. I'm going to just change the creamer I use. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys clean out my refrigerator. I guess I'm not an embarrassing person because, I don't know, the refrigerator is a refrigerator. I'm not one of them, oh, my refrigerator has to stay organized type of person. Now, I like my refrigerator organized, but be realistic, I stay with my husband and he doesn't know where stuff goes. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the refrigerator. So, right now, this is our refrigerator. We had guests over, so I bought cold drinks, I bought beers. Well, we bought beers. I didn't actually buy it. We bought beers. We have leftover barbecue from Friday, because today is Sunday, guys. Leftover barbecue from we have leftover barbecue from Friday. I have eggs. These are plums, and I have like very old blueberries in them. So we actually could toss these out. Well, the plums are fine. I'm gonna just toss out the blueberries, and yeah. So I'm gonna condense all this stuff because that's potato salad, chicken, ribs, and baked beans. I know my husband's gonna kill me if I throw away his stuff because his mama made the baked beans and the potato salad. So I'm gonna just condense it, and I'm not like a leftover person. I could eat it like the next day and I'm done, but he could eat leftovers all day. So I'm gonna condense this stuff and put it probably in one container for him to have, I guess, for lunch today. And then this is like my drink column on my drink row. I'm gonna keep the beers in here because he probably still drink them, but and then I'm gonna take these cold drinks out. The cold drinks are at the bottom. This bottom one. I'm gonna take the cold drinks out. I'm not gonna throw them away, but I'm gonna take them out. And just to clear up room, I'm gonna use this bottom one as my vegetables, which I have been using, but our refrigerator is a counter depth refrigerator, so we don't have that much space in this refrigerator because we want it to be flush with the rest of the appliances. As you can see, it doesn't stick out that much. So we don't have like a regular size refrigerator. We bought the counter depth one. But I'm gonna put my waters. I'm gonna continue to put my waters here. Take the cold drinks out. I'm gonna continue to have my pre-workout or like my Alani News in the refrigerator. Those are Poppies. No, those are Olipops. The cream soda one, get them. But those are Olipops. I'm gonna take out the beer. No, the beers have to be refrigerated, I think. Okay, I'm gonna put the beers somewhere else. I'm gonna keep the beers here, but I'm gonna put them in the back of this row. And yeah, let's actually do that now because I'm gonna be going to the gym in a couple of minutes, and I just want to, when I come back from the gym and go to the store, I just already want all this cleared out. So this is the ginger lemon. This is my favorite Olipop too. So now it's the tropical punch, ginger lemon, and the cream and soda is my favorite. Here's the cream and soda. Get it. Alright, since I have it cleaned out, I'm gonna just wipe it out because it's nasty looking. But I'm gonna use, that's the alarm. Alright, I'm gonna use this Lysol and just some paper towels. This is how dirty it is. So like I said, I'm gonna put these beers in the bag since they're a non-factor for me. These are good too, but I think I'm gonna give them up. They're 130 calories per can. I'm gonna give them up. These are my workout drinks or whatever. I drink half of them. I'm gonna keep one out though. These are coconut waters. I like to have them in my smoothie. I don't like drinking coconut water straight. I gotta mix it with something. I have these Fairlives that I haven't been drinking, but I'm gonna keep them in there. And now I'm gonna put my Olipops and sparkling water over here. And it's this sparkling water. Alright, so that's all the sparkling waters I have. I'm gonna get some more at the store, but so far this is all I have. And now I'm gonna take my lettuce out of here. And I'm gonna add more waters. Usually I can fill this up, but I'm out of water. Obviously I need to go to the grocery store, so we're gonna close this. And now we're gonna open this one, take out these cold drinks, and then I'm gonna throw away this broccolini because I bought it and I never cooked it, so I know for a fact it is old. So, and it looks like I need to clean out this jar too because it got like little crumbs and stuff under it. So now I'm gonna put my vegetables in here. Alright, now I'm gonna clean out this jar. This is like the butters, meats, cheese, all that. So this is bacon from Whole Foods. We're not gonna eat it. This is also bacon that we're not gonna eat, so I'm gonna toss it. This is turkey bacon, we're gonna eat this. This is beef sausage, we're gonna eat this. Butter. This cheese expired, I'm gonna toss this. This meat doesn't look too good to me, so I'm gonna get some more, but I'm gonna toss it. I don't mind eating deli meat. This is breakfast chicken sausage. We're gonna keep. Shredded cheese, we're gonna keep. Turkey pepperoni, we're gonna keep. And this is some Kevin's chicken. This is like what you get from Costco, and this, I think it's like a curry sauce. Yeah, Thai. It's a Thai coconut sauce. So this goes with this, and I'm actually gonna keep this because I probably cook this week for a quick meal. We have butter. We're gonna keep. This is some more butter. We're gonna keep. Sit it like this. Okay. And yeah, that's it for this container. And then this is like yogurt and stuff. This is still in date, so this expired. I'm gonna toss this. This expired. I'm gonna toss it. This should be good. Yeah, this is still good. My hummus, and then this is butter. I'm gonna keep this, but put it in the correct place. So this is ground beef. I'm gonna toss it because I don't trust it being in a open container. And then this is the tomato. I'm actually just gonna put in here. Oh, I need to toss the strawberries from out of here. No, I'm sorry. I need to toss the blueberries from out of here. So we're gonna keep the plums in here. And then I need to get some more eggs to put in here. So this is gonna be the hard part. I'm going to condense this stuff. I'm not gonna throw it out. I'm gonna condense it. The ribs I probably freeze, even though I should have frozen them yesterday. I'm gonna freeze the ribs, but I'm gonna keep everything else out. I'm gonna just put all of this in a smaller container just so I could have room. So yeah. I'm gonna keep this in here. These are baked beans. Alright, so I'm gonna put the chicken and ribs in these freezer bags. And now I'm gonna condense this potato salad into this little small container. See, it's not even that much in there to be taking up a lot of room. Just FYI, my mother-in-law potato salad is bomb.com. As you see, we had a big container and we didn't have that much left. It is just so good. Alright, so this is the potato salad. Alright, and now we condensed it. So I want to be conscious because I am going to be juicing this week. I want to put like my juice containers here, some fruit. I am going to buy like the pre-made meals at Sam's. So I probably have to put that up here somewhere because we could get rid of this. Oh, let me put y'all up some. The last and final row, I didn't get to tell y'all, is this row. And it's like my drink row where I like to keep my drinks and stuff. Not the drinks, but like the taller drinks. So this is the creamer that we use. The coffee, the cold brew coffee that we drink. I'm gonna take this out. I'm actually gonna take everything out. Take everything out and clean this because it's kind of sticky. This spinach dip is good too, from Kirkland, from Costco. I could toss this out. I actually need to get another one of these since it's been a while. So this is how it looks after me cleaning out. We don't mess with this because I go through these often, so I'm not worried about that. But this was like the part that drives me crazy because this is the majority of my space in this refrigerator. So yeah, we gonna clear out the orange juice, but we have enough room hopefully for all our groceries today. And yeah, so I am going to be going to the gym first and then heading to get groceries. I'm so torn. I don't know if I should go. It's like I feel like I need to go to 3 stores, but I don't want to go to 3 stores. But I think that's what's gonna end up happening, because it's just like I need different stuff, different things from each store. But I'm gonna do Sam's first, and then I'm going. Well, it depends, because I think Sam's open at 10 on Sunday, so it's 7:40 now. If I go to the gym for like an hour, hour and a half, I probably could do HEB, then Sam's, and then drop some stuff off and go to Costco, because I love to get my almond milk from Costco. Like, that's one thing I'm not gonna budge on. So I'm gonna have to get my almond milk from Costco. You're like, girl, you do too much. I don't know. It is what it is. So I'm about to put all this stuff up. I'm gonna start drinking my energy drink and make something quick to eat before I head to the gym. And I will talk to you guys later after I get from the gym, okay? Some meal prep food containers. This is mostly for fruit. These are on sale. There's some double wall glass mugs and some lids for my mason jars. And what I got from Sam's is this case of water, pineapple, shrimp and corn chowder, to put this in the refrigerator, Caesar salad kit, eggs, mushrooms, pulled chicken, chicken sausage, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, carrots, lemons, and oranges. So I am about to put the cold stuff up and wash these berries and put the berries in some mason jars. Well, I need to wash the lids to the mason jars too and put the berries in the mason jars. And then I have a Walmart order coming later on today. So once that comes, I'm gonna start juicing. So yeah. Hey. Yeah. I was on midnight, yeah. Leaving me, dipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I guess, quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah.
never texted and called me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yeah. Yes, I'm hurting. Yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Alright, my Walmart delivery just came. I have beets for juicing, red apples right here for juicing. I have a green bell pepper to saute and 2 bags of ginger root. This is for juicing. I have 3 baking sodas for the refrigerator and freezers, lower sugar, maple brown sugar, oatmeal. These water enhancers, I have cherry flavor and I have strawberry mango flavor. I have pineapple coconut sparkling water creamer. I have this brown butter creamer, and then I have this 0 sugar Italian sweet cream creamer, some jasmine rice, low carb or low calorie tortillas. These are yellow corn. I have salsa. I have mild taco sauce. I also have some maple syrup. I have 2 of these light Greek yogurts, banana cream flavor. And I have 4 of the light Greek yogurts in just vanilla. Some Laughing Cow cheese and some tzatziki sauce. Some plain Greek yogurt. Some mozzarella cheese. This is reduced fat. Some peanut butter protein granola. Some ranch because we don't have any. And then 2 of these salted jumbo peanut bags. And this is my Walmart order. Hey guys, so I'm about to make the juice. It is the next day, it's Monday, but who says it doesn't take 2 days to prep for the week? I'm actually gonna make some juices. I'm gonna make 2. I'm gonna make an orange, carrot, ginger, and turmeric juice, and then I'm gonna make a beets, apples, red apples, and lemon juice. So I'm gonna do like small portions, enough to fit probably like 30 ounces of each of the juices, because like I said before, my refrigerator is small, so I can't really put a lot of stuff in there, but I don't mind making juices like twice a week. It is what it is. I bought the juice, I'm gonna use it. So I'm about to wash off some of the fruit and veggies, and we're about to get started. So I have wax paper down, a bowl, and my juicer, and now I'm about to put in the juices. I'm actually going to put a strainer right here for the juice to actually strain prior to going into the bowl. It just makes it easier. You can strain it when you put it in your mason jars, or you can strain it before, and I prefer doing before. Alright, here's the fruits and veggies. I have carrots, oranges, ginger root in there, and I'm gonna juice it all. And if you juice, you know how messy it could get. I'm gonna actually cover this with foil, but it won't or cover it with wax paper so it won't spill everywhere. And I'm actually not going to use the strainer. So, alright, so let's get down here. So my juicer has two settings, one for soft, one for hard. I'm actually gonna do the carrots and the roots first, just to get those out the way, because the pulp sometimes just packs up right here in the part of my juicer, and it'll just be easier for me to clean it last instead of just cleaning and go. So we're gonna do the carrots and ginger first, and then we'll go do the oranges. So it's gonna get loud. Of course, I'm gonna probably fast forward through this and show you guys the end result, okay? Alright, y'all, so I'm done the orange, carrot, and ginger. I'm actually going to do turmeric powder because I couldn't find turmeric in the stores that I went to. I know who sells it, but I didn't go to that store. But I have turmeric powder, so I'm going to actually put the powder in first, then pour the juice in there. So let me show you the juice. But let me protect my countertop from stains. So I'm gonna lay down some wax paper and then show you guys the juice. So this is the juice. We're actually gonna stir it. This is how it looks. I'm gonna put it in these containers right here, but I'm gonna use my new tops from Walmart. Even though they're gonna stain, it's fine. It's just easier just to have one lid instead of the lid and cap. Then I'm gonna use the strainer and I'm gonna pour. Oh, almost forgot. So this is the turmeric I'm gonna be using. Just I'm going to use the strainer. That's why we protect our countertops. Okay. So this is how it looks in the container. This is about 10 ounces of juice. And I'm gonna shake it up. Just shake it up and make sure the turmeric is dissolved in there. But this is the orange, carrot, ginger, and turmeric juice. I'm actually about to taste some. Alright, so I'm about to taste it because I do have some left over. I'm gonna add my turmeric to my glass. These are kind of going viral on YouTube right now, but y'all be sleep on Walmart. Had these since last Christmas. Don't sleep on Walmart. So I added some turmeric. And then I have some juice left. So and I'm actually gonna stir it with this. And we're gonna see how it tastes. This is really good. You taste more of the orange than the carrot. I probably could have put more carrots in it, but this is really good. I know it's gonna be so good cold. I love ginger. Oh my god, I love ginger. So I'm actually gonna clean up and then do the beet juice a little bit later. Just because I have to clean my juicer and everything and clean the same, I'm gonna still use the same strainer to clean the vegetables and stuff off with. I just have to wash it. I'm gonna clean up this little mess I have going on here. Juicing is so messy, you guys know this, but it's just so beneficial. It's cheaper to juice at home than, of course, buy juices in the store. And you actually could see what's going in your juice, and this is so good.